This is the 15th video of the PreventSARS3 video series, project video series, and I will talk about the possible implications of the engineered nature of the SARS-2 virus on the vaccines, on the prospective vaccines. So the objective of a vaccine is this. So we give an attenuated virus or a weak virus, so we teach our immune system SARS coronavirus 2. This is what the vaccine would do. So the immune receptor then would have a memory and recognize the virus and exterminate it more effectively. And for example, in this case, they are working on the structural proteins, and on the structural protein, it would the immune response would work on this spike protein. This is the spike protein, and on its receptor binding domain. So the antibody would work on it, and we're gonna make the body produce this antibody. But the problem is, again, I mentioned several times, this is a perfect receptor binding domain. So a few mutations here, that's called as antigenic drift. So with the drift, that antibody won't be able to bind to this virus any longer, so this won't happen. So that happens against the viruses with antibodies, and with this virus, its perfect receptor binding domain capacity has that risk. So I tried to explain on previous videos that this virus does not have a high frequency mutation on its receptor binding domain, and this means it has a very good interaction. So once we come up with the vaccines, we're going to teach the body the surface of this SARS-2 coronavirus spike protein. And the spike protein will change a few mutations, will do a few mutations, and with antigenic drifts, it's very likely to get rid of those immune response. And this is something unique to this virus, again, because other coronaviruses, 6 other coronaviruses, if you remember them, if you watch the videos, you might see that they are trying to adapt naturally to this, to the human more effectively. This virus doesn't do that. So this has a problem for the vaccines. This could be projected. So thanks for watching.